Welcome back to the Tree Campus English Podcast, your go-to platform for learning and mastering spoken English. I'm Suman, and today, in episode 7, we are diving deep into how you can improve your English accent. 5 tips to improve your accent. Listen to native speakers. One of the best ways to improve your accent is by listening to native speakers regularly. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or even engage in conversations with native speakers. This helps you get used to the natural rhythm and tone of the language. Try repeating what you hear to practice mimicking the sounds and intonations of native speakers. Focus on stress and intonation. English words often have specific stress patterns that you need to get right. For example, in the word photograph, the stress is on the first syllable, photograph, while in photography, the stress is on the second syllable, photography. Understanding stress and intonation patterns will help you sound more natural when speaking. Break words into syllables. If you're struggling with certain words, try breaking them down into syllables. For example, take the word international and break it down like this, international. This makes it easier to pronounce each part correctly and ensures you don't stumble over difficult words. Use a mirror. Watching your mouth movements as you speak can be incredibly helpful in improving your accent. Stand in front of a mirror and practice speaking. You'll be able to see if you're mispronouncing any words and adjust your mouth movements to get the correct sound. Practice with pronunciation apps. Technology can be a great tool for improving your pronunciation. Try AI-powered pronunciation apps, such as the Tree Campus app, which offers real-time feedback on your pronunciation. These apps allow you to practice words and phrases until you get them just right. Tongue Twister Challenge. Now, let's have some fun with a tongue twister. Repeat after me, red lorry, yellow lorry. Now try saying it 3 times faster. This exercise will help you improve your clarity and fluidity when speaking. Keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work on these techniques, the better your accent will become. Keep listening, repeating, and practicing. Don't forget to download the Tree Campus app for more pronunciation exercises and tips to help improve your English accent and overall fluency. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Tree Campus English Podcast. Stay committed to your learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be speaking with confidence and a clearer, more natural English accent.